Hello and wish you all be quiet. Okay, welcome to another analytical video directed by Usdjpy Trading Broker. Today we are gonna have a brief analysis on Usdjpy daily time frame. This chart, the previous bearish trend has been completed in this area, and we have seen a strong bullish trend. We can consider this bullish trend as an accelerating pattern, which was completed in this area, and after that we saw price fluctuations that could spend a lot of time in the price zone. And as you can see, there was very little downturn for this bullish, which could be promising to continue the bullish trend in this chart. And we have a correction process here, as you can see, which for sure can be closed in the form of a dual combined pattern, or even a triangular one. Here we have two waves of the pattern completed, and as the waves progress, we can have confirmations for the completion of the other waves of this pattern. In this area of the chart, due to the price in this support area, we saw a support here, and the reaction of the price to this limit was a relatively favorable reaction. We expect the price to cross this trend line area and stabilize above this zone, and start a relatively medium-term bullish trend that can push itself through the area of resistance we've identified. In this case, we can cross the end of the C-wave pattern of this flow, and if so, the bullish trend that will start here, and of course to the next resistance area, which as you can see is also in the zone of the previous Mujo ceiling. We can put the end of the C wave here. To replace the C wave label, you have to give this wave time. After this bullish trend can breach this resistance area, we will expect a correction as A wave. If the end of the bullish trend is in this area, we can normally place the correction as A wave in this zone, and if the price doesn't have the ability to decline in the wave price dimension, we can have a very strong floor for the end of E wave by extending the pattern of the floor of the wave. That is, trend line can be moving in terms of price, and according to the correction that it will have in the dimension of time, it can end its movement by hitting this trend line, as you see, and again in line with this movement that we considered as wave A, a strong upward wave will be formed, which can easily continue the bullish trend from the previous ceiling to relatively higher numbers. However, in this area